Hey guys, it's your girl Tasha. Welcome or welcome back. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you are here. So today we're going to be doing an unboxing from FYTOO. FYTOO is an affordable eyeglass company where they sell eyeglasses where you can use them for style like myself, but you can also get them as a prescription. I just want to do the unboxing today so I can show you what you will be getting when you receive your package. I'll also be leaving you guys with my discount code TASHA so that you can receive 15% off when you do make your online purchase at the website. So I'll also be leaving the website link down below. So my discount code is TASHA, TASHA, and you will be receiving 15% off of your purchase. This is my first time getting glasses from them. I believe there's about 5 pairs of glasses in here. This is their website and there's so many that you can choose from. So I'm just going to show you guys what I have inside. I believe this is the glasses wipes with a little chain inside. They also have these. It's just a ruler to measure your eyes when you're purchasing online. It's a better experience when you're shopping, social media stuff. And each pair of glasses is in these little eyewear glass packages, and it looks like that. Okay, so I'm just going to be randomly picking them out, and I'll also leave the name of each pair that I try on the side as well as in the description. Oh, so inside they also, is it on in each? It looks like in each pack there is a glass wipe. So these are the first pairs. Ooh, and it has these to secure the glasses. So this is what they are looking like. Ooh, these look so cute. What do you think? I like the gold lining. That's why I picked these, because I just wanted some basic frames that just had some gold lining to it. If that wasn't too thick, I just wanted some thinner frames. I really like these. They're pretty lightweight. They're not heavy, but they also don't feel like they're gonna break anytime soon. Ooh, and what I like about it, because sometimes when I wear glasses, I notice the back of my ears on some frames can be pretty irritating. I don't know if any of you guys experience that stuff. I like that this has like a rubber type thing happening here, and I notice when I put them on, it's pretty comfortable back there. At least for now, it doesn't feel like it's like squeezing the back of my ear. These actually feel very comfy. It's like a rose gold type of color. It's not like a solid gold, it's more rose type gold, and I'm loving that. I really like them. I think I'm gonna rock these today. I don't know, let's see what else they have. Ooh, I see these ones. Okay, I don't want to try those ones on yet. We're gonna save those ones, because these ones I was like, do I want to get them? Yeah, I want to save those for last because those are so iffy. I was like, are they gonna suit my face? So yeah, we're gonna wait to see those ones. These are some sunglasses. I was like, you know what, it's summertime, so why not get something for the sun? Plus I really love green. Green is my favorite color. I'm really loving these. These are giving some Riri. These were giving Riri to me. And then it's kind of a clear type of rosy color with a little detail on the side there. And I needed some sunglasses anyways. I like these. I like these. I think these are so cute. I was just scared that these weren't gonna look good because of the shape, but I remember that I bought frames like these before. I bought sunglasses like these, but I didn't like them as much as I like these ones, to be honest. I think these ones feel so much more stronger than the ones that I purchased before. I love the detailing on the side. I love the size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It feels comfortable. It doesn't feel too tight behind my ear. These are cute. Loving the color, loving the shape, loving the detail. Yeah. Ooh, I'm loving the surprises. I have no idea what I'm pulling out of here. I don't remember what they sent me, to be honest, which I like that because I feel like I'm being surprised with each one that I open. So we got some clear frames. Look at me telling you guys to look at it and even take it out the package. They really secured these ones. Not only does it have a baggie, it also has the peel. So I like the fact that they secure these very well, because sometimes when things are getting delivered, we don't know what's happening in the truck. We don't know what's happening in delivery. They could just be tossed everywhere. So they do secure these quite well to me. It's in the box, it's in the ceiling, it's in these. They all have little baggies and peeling sticks on them. These ones are a bit thicker and they feel so strong. I love to buy glasses, but I notice that sometimes when you just do a little shopping when you go on vacation and stuff, and you see like eyewear, and sometimes they just feel a little cheap. They feel like they're gonna break by the time you bring them home. These feel strong. I love when I come across some affordable, strong frames. It means a lot to me because it lets me know they're gonna last a while. This is how these ones are looking. Oh, these are super cute. I love these. Oh my gosh. I ordered my daughter some prescription glasses when she first got her glasses, and she ordered a clear frame like this, and this was at a store nearby our house. I think she gonna like these better because she didn't even wear those glasses. She got two, but she never wore the clear ones that she picked. And I'm like, oh, I wasted all that money because they were actually so expensive. I spent like over $200 when it came to her prescription and just two frames, you guys. So I feel like when I show her these, she's gonna wanna get a pair of these for her prescription, because I do know that she wanted some clear frames, but she didn't like the ones that she got. She just knew she wanted clear, but when she got home she was just like, like it's not it. Like, look at the detail. I'm gonna take them off and show you guys. It has a little detail here going along. I just love the fact that they feel so strong. These ones are thick and the size is just perfect. I just feel like it suits my face. Like, I have, to me, like a round face, okay? And to me, not everything suits my face how I would like it, but I feel like these are really suiting my face and I like them. We got, what did I get? Oh, no, I didn't get those ones. I want to say like these are like blue. Yeah, see, I remember I got a blue. So these are like the clear ones that I just tried on, but they're the color blue, and it also has some brown detail. I thought these were really cute on this side. Like, look at the blue and look at the brown. So nice. Look at the detail on the sides. Okay, these are different. These are different. I feel like I would definitely wear, like, what kind of hairstyle would I wear? I feel like the glasses suit more with the type of hairstyle. I like these. I just feel like my hair ain't suiting these glasses. I would most likely do maybe straight hair with these. I feel like the silk press coming down on the sides here might give it more of a oomph. But yeah, they are cute. These are giving, I want to say, vacation vibes because of the colors. I really love the colors on these, and I just feel like these need to be styled the right way. But these are super thick. They feel sturdy. All these glasses feel really sturdy so far, and that's what I like about them. Okay, so I'm gonna try on those ones that I wasn't sure about. My daughter was like, those are gonna be cute, mom. So I really hope they're gonna be cute. They're feeling the lightest of them all because they're the smallest ones. They're very different, okay? So this is what they're looking like. They're giving reading glasses. That's what they're giving. I wanted to change it up a bit. I wanted to try something out of the ordinary. It's like a red color. It's deep red. And they're thin. These don't feel obviously as heavy as the other ones because they're pretty thin. It has a gold frame with red here. Okay, let's try these on. These are different. I think it's the hair. If I change my hair, it'll be a little different. These for sure I'll probably do like not a curly ponytail, but probably a silk pressed ponytail, straight ponytail. out of the ordinary. I don't like sticking to things that are just, you know, the same old, same old. I wanted to try like different sizes, different colors, dark shades, clear shades, you know. So if you're into smaller frames and smaller eyeglasses, this is just, you know, a look-see of what it can look like. Whenever I do these, I'm just like, what is gonna be the one for the day, you know? I'm gonna say the first ones. I don't know. Let's see. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna rock these today. If I don't rock these, I'll most likely rock the clear ones if I change my mind in a bit. But yeah, that was it for the video, you guys. I hope that I gave you more of an inspiration on what kind of eyewear that you're actually looking for. To me, I like to switch up my style sometimes. It's good for like taking pictures and just feeling different, you know? Your style is important to your mood and your vibe. If you want to look for affordable eyewear, just make sure to head to FYTOO and to use my discount code so that you can get 15% off. All the links to everything that I tried on today will be in my description box, as well as the website, my discount code. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye. Oh wait, I didn't open this thing and I want to make sure it is what I think it is, which is another cloth, but they gave me so many, so what would this be? It's just another one, but this one looks like a different color. Yeah, this one is gray and this is a white one. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys, and it comes with this little, what is this? Oh, I guess this is to help repair your glasses, if anything. But yeah, bye.